Whoa, Carl Wheezer, what are you doing in my bed?
Well, I was just looking for Jimmy's mom. She makes great cookies.
Do I look like Jimmy's mom to you?
Wow, I mean, you look kinda like her. I'd be willing to settle. Ah!
What are you on? Please get away from me, Carl. You're making me very uncomfortable.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me in the morning. I'll be on the way like, yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, beautiful vocal performance, but please, Carl, get the freakity flip out of my bed.
Ah, man. I was really wanting to have a ditty party over here.